If you're in this group, you are working on becoming fluent in the numbers 6, 7, and 8. I'm going to say that again. If you're in this group, you are working on becoming fluent in the numbers 6, 7, and 8. I really want you to focus on that as your goal and be ready to get these numbers down fast and fluently. So let's get warmed up. What is 7 minus 4? Whisper it. Hopefully you said 3. What is 5 plus 2? Hopefully you said 7. What is 8 take away 3? 8 minus 3. 5. Hopefully you got it. All right. I am going to show you some dot pictures to start with today. I'm going to show you some dot pictures. Get ready. Let me start with this one. When I show you these pictures, I want you to picture them in your mind and say what number you see fast. Then I want you to write down an equation. That goes with the dots. So I'll do the first one with you, and then I'll let you do the next ones by yourself. So see it, say it. And I bet you got this one fast. It is 6. So for this one, I would definitely write down 3 and 3 makes 6. Maybe you saw it differently. Maybe you saw 4 and 2. You can write down both if you really want. Push yourself to write down more, because that's going to really help you become fluent with these small numbers, with 6, 7, and 8. Remember, if you need to pause the video at any time, that's why we're working with a video, so you can pause it. Please pause it and write down what your thinking is. See it, say it. This one I definitely see as 4 plus 3. If you see it differently, maybe you see 4 this way, 4 and 3, but it is 7. Go ahead and record that. See it, say it. This one's a little more challenging. Yeah, so here I see 4, and then over here I also see 4. You can see 4 and 4. 4 plus 4 makes, hopefully you said 8. Take a second to get that recorded. When we look at dots and we say them fast, that really helps again. That helps our fluency. That helps us to build our knowledge of small numbers. Nice work, mathematicians. All right, we're going to move on to just a quick round of Snap It to keep our brains moving this morning, okay? But before I get started, I'm going to show you, this is my cool desk, I'm going to show you I'm going to show you kind of like a hide it game to just sort of get your brain warmed up. And I want to start with the number 7. Right, the number 7 can be a really challenging one. So I want you to take a look at these here. All right, and hopefully you see 7. I see 4 and I see 3. I know that's 7. You can also see 5 and 2. You can see 5 here and then 2 over here. Okay, so I'm just going to cover some of these up, and I want you to pay close attention. Again, we're going to write down some equations. Okay, so I'm showing you 7. If I'm covering 3, what is 7 take away 3? Hopefully you said 4. 7 take away 3 is 4. Great, let's do another subtraction one. I'm showing you 7. How many did I take away? Okay, that was kind of a silly one. What's 7 take away 0? 7 take away 0 is still 7. Record it. It's a good one to know. 0 can be really tricky. Okay, this time I'm going to hide it from you. I'm showing you 5. How many did I take away? Good, so 7 take away 2 is the same as 5. Record. I'm showing you 7. Showing you 7. I'm showing you 1 now. I'm showing you 1. How many did I take away? 7 take away 6 makes 1. 7 take away 6. Cool. I'm going to switch to Snap It. Boom. I'm going to switch to Snap It up top. We worked on 7 a little bit, so I'm going to move us into 8. 8 is tricky. There's a lot going on with 8. 8 is an even number. We've been talking about even numbers in calendar. 8 is an even number because you can split it equally. You can split it equally into 4 and 4. Go ahead and record another even number you can think of. Go ahead and record another even number. This might be a point where you need to pause me for a minute. Record another even number that you can think of. And I also want you to write down what it can be split equally into. What can it be split equally into? So you might choose 6, which can be split equally into 3 and 3. Think about what else you could choose. Lots of different things. All numbers are even or odd. Okay. Anyway, we're going to play a little bit of Snap It, and you guys all know how to play Snap It, so let's get started. This really helps us again to build our number fluency when we work on knowing these numbers fast, okay? So remember, I have 8. I'm showing you 2. How many am I hiding? It's a hard one to start with. So in 8, if I'm showing you 2, that means 6 are hiding. 6 plus 2 equals 8. Or you can write the related fact, 8 minus 6 equals 2. Or even 8 minus 2 equals 6. This is a tricky one to start with. Remember to pause me if you need to finish recording. We're moving fast here. Okay, get ready. I'm going to show you another one. I'm showing you 6. Oh no, I messed up. Sorry. I'm showing you 5. How many are hiding? I'm showing you 5. So we know 5. How many are missing? 6, 7, 8. So there's 3. So 5 and 3 makes 8. Or 8 take away 3 makes 5. 8 has a lot of them. Let's try another one. I'm showing you 1. How many am I hiding? Remember, there was 8 altogether. So I'm showing you 1. How many am I hiding? 7. Boom. Let's do another one. I'm showing you 6. How many am I hiding? This is a related fact from what we did earlier. Remember what we did earlier? I'm showing you 2. So I'm showing you 6, which means 2 are hiding. 8 minus 2 makes 6. I'm showing you 4. How many are hiding? Getting really fluent with those small numbers. We're getting really fluent. The more we practice, the more smoothly and quickly we'll know these numbers. I'm showing you 2. How many are hiding? Hopefully you said 6. 2 plus 6 makes 8. I'm showing you 3. How many are hiding? 3 plus 5 makes 8. I'm showing you 1. How many are hiding? 7. Good. So 7 and 1 make 8. Boom. I'm moving these to the side. And today I want to end with some story problems, some number stories. This is going to be, I think, really fun. I haven't done this on a video yet, so I'm excited for you guys to try it out. We're going to continue our work and our fluency with 6, 7, and 8, but we're going to do them with stories. So, stories help us to learn math in real life. We're still working with our numbers, but we're learning about them sort of in a real life situation. Okay, so I'm going to give you 3 problems, and this is a time where I really want you to make sure you're pushing the pause button, because after I give the problem, I really want you to spend a lot of time doing this work on your board. So if you have a lot of equations written on your board right now, you want to take a picture of them, email that to me, and then erase your board, clear your board. Okay? Then you're going to do a problem on your board. Take a picture of that, email it to me. You're going to do 3 different problems on your board. After you finish each one, I want you to spend time on it, draw a number bond, write an equation, draw a picture, do all that stuff. Then take a picture of it and send it to me. I want to see this work that you're doing. I think these problems are really going to be great practice for you. Okay? I want to see how you're doing on them though, and if you're really understanding what the questions are asking. So after I ask a question, I want you to pause it. Unless you need to rewatch it, then go back and rewatch it. You need to pause it, work the problem on your board, then take a picture and send it to me. Then do the next question, right? Okay, let's give it a try, and if you need help, then we'll work on it later, okay? No worries. All right, there were 7 puppies. They were black and white. If 5 were black, how many were white? I'm going to repeat it one time. There were 7 puppies. They were black and white. If 5 were black, how many were white? Work that problem on your board. Then take a picture and email it to me. Label it puppy problem. Ready for the next one? I really hope you paused it, because otherwise you're going to get very confused. So pause me now if you need a minute. There were 8, here's the next one. You're going to do this one also on your board. There were 8 cakes and 6 were eaten. How many are there now? There were 8 cakes and 6 were eaten. How many are there now? Cool. Hit pause, and work that problem. Email me when you're finished. Okay, I'm going to do the last one. There were 6 cupcakes. I ate some. Now there are 2. How many did I eat? There were 6 cupcakes, and I ate some. I'm eating a lot of food today, sorry. Let me repeat that again. There were 6 cupcakes, and I ate some. Now there are 2. How many did I eat? Okay, again, I want you to make sure that you take your time on that question. Take your time on that question, do it on your board, and then email it over. Nice work today building your fluency on 6, 7, and 8. It's a lot of hard work, mathematicians, and I really appreciate your focus and just general awesomeness. Hope you're having a good day. And keep focused on your goals and your golden numbers, all right? Have a great day.